Hi everyone, my name is Mar if you're new here, and if you're not new here, hello! Good to see you guys again. This is going to be episode 2 of my series Reality TV Yap and Makeup, where I chat with you guys about my favorite and your favorite reality TV shows while doing my makeup. In episode 1 of this series, we discussed the latest season of Big Brother. I predicted my wins, and a couple of you guys commented in the comment section your win predictions. Now that the finale is out, I want to debrief with you guys about it because that was a lot. I also had to do my makeup before filming this video because I was getting ready for an event and decided to film a lot of smaller clips of my makeup for TikTok instead of a full YouTube video. So I'm just going to be touching up my makeup while we chat. So I actually did predict the Ashley win, and I'm genuinely so happy for her. As I mentioned in episode 1, at first Ashley kind of rubbed me the wrong way. I didn't know if I liked her or not, but the more I watched her, the more she grew on me, and she seems like such a genuine person that I would probably get along with in real life. So a lot of people actually don't have the same opinion about Ashley, and they think that she did not deserve this win next to Vince. I feel like I need a little bit more bronzer, so I'm using my favorite bronzer from MAC. This is the Radiant Medium Golden Skin Finish bronzer. It has a lot of sparkle and shimmer in it. I feel it's gonna make me look a lot more bronzy and glowy. Now, other people thought that Vince should have been the winner, that he was the rightful winner of that season. Even my husband tried to argue with me that Vince should have won, and I kindly disagree with that, and I'm gonna give you my reasons. I personally think that Vince literally played Morgan's game. He did not have any decisions or opinions of his own, especially towards the end. And if he actually did play his own game, he would have done way better at jury management, which a lot of people forget that is a really big part of Big Brother. He should have stuck with his guts, kept Lauren in the game, and not gotten rid of her. If he stayed on good terms with Kelly as well and didn't burn her as many times, she would have probably voted for him. Same would go for Keanu, and then he would have won. Unfortunately though, this was a bitter jury, and he did not do the best part of jury management. Yes, he won a lot of HOHs, a lot of vetoes, but this is a social game first. It's not a challenge game first, and it's not a game where challenges and social aspect of it are viewed very equally either. I feel like Survivor does a better job of actually categorizing people's gameplay as either social, challenge-based, or both, but Big Brother is a little bit different in that aspect. And sorry to say this, but in my opinion, Vince just does not have a likable personality. As a viewer, I really did not want to see him on my screen anymore. On the other hand, Ashley does have a really bubbly and likable personality. I was actually really happy though that Keanu was America's favorite because I was rooting for him so hard. I was actually so sad when he got evicted, and I think that he would have killed it in the final 2. The other argument to Ashley not deserving the win is that people saying that she was kind of a leech, that she leeched off Rachel, she didn't do much, she was kind of one of those people that floated around doing nothing. But I don't think she was a floater. I think she really tried to amp up her social game, and she really focused on that aspect of Big Brother. For example, I think that floaters would have been people like Will or even Ava in some instances. I don't think they've done much, neither socially or game wise or challenge wise even. So pairing Will to Ashley, you would see how Will would be considered more of a floater character versus Ashley wasn't really a floater if you want to compare the two. So I think this is a very popular opinion what I'm about to say right now, but I think Morgan would have deserved the win better than both of them. She had a way better social game and a way better Big Brother game, and she's won a lot more HOHs and vetoes and challenges in general. So technically she would have been the rightful winner in my opinion, but she did fuck up the last challenge and Ashley won that, so that's kind of on her. Since this is just a debrief video about the final episode, it is going to be a lot quicker unfortunately, and I am done touching up my makeup and saying my word about how I felt about this finale. I'm curious to know how you guys felt about the Big Brother finale. Let me know in the comments down below. As always, thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I'll also see you guys over there on Instagram and TikTok. I post on my other social accounts a little bit more often than YouTube. I'm trying to get in the habit of posting on YouTube way more often because I love YouTube, I love my community over here, and this just brings me so much joy. I'll be filming a 3rd episode of this series sometime in the next week. Let me know in the comments also what shows you want me to talk about now that Big Brother is over. Would we be interested in chatting about Survivor or even The Real Housewives? I'm currently watching the new season of Salt Lake City, so that could be an interesting one. Bye now!